morning student, welcome to your math class. Today we will start our next exercise of chapter 20 which is related to the volume of a cylinder. Firstly I will introduce you what is the cylinder here. Class 8 chapter 20 and the exercise is 20b. Here we will discuss about the volume of cylinder. What is the shape of cylinder here? I just firstly show you. This is the shape of the cylinder. Clear? This is the shape. In the general life you have lot of example related to this your cylinder. Clear? Firstly your cylinder is at your home, your cylindrical glass is there, your bucket is there. Clear? I'll just show you one more thing here. This bottle. This is just like the cylindrical shape. Your pipe that are lying in the home, drainage pipe, that is also cylindrical in shape. So there in this cylindrical shape there are the two curved surface. One curved surface is there and two plane surface is there. These two are the plane surfaces. Clear? As you can see that in this figure, this is your curved surface. Only one curved surface is there. And this one bottom, top and the bottom, these are the plane surfaces, that is the circular faces. Clear? So you have the one curved surface and the two plane faces. In this is representing by the R. These are the radius of the base. Okay, when you are talking about this figure, so this is the circular face and in this is the center and this is the radius of the base. And what is the h here? H is the height of the cylinder. This whole height, straight height, that is known as the h of the cylinder. And what do you mean by the volume? The amount of capacity, amount of water that this bottle can hold. So we will say that the volume of this cylindrical bottle. Okay, so the amount of water a pipe can hold, a amount of water or amount of any liquid that a container can hold, that is known as the volume of that container. Clear? The volume of container and what is the formula of volume of cylinder here? That is pi R square H. Pi means the value of pi is a constant one, that is 3.14 in the decimal form and 22/7 in the rational number form. So R is the radius of the base, so you have to write pi into R and H is the height of that cylinder. So this is the whole exercise based on the volume of cylinder, where the base is, if I am talking about the area of base, that is a circular, so the area of circle is pi r square. So you can also write the volume of cylinder. Instead of pi r square, you can also write that the area of base multiply height. This is also create the formula of the volume of cylinder. So you now in this way you read the two formula. First one is the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h and the second is the area of base multiply height. Now I just proceed to the first question of 20a exercise. What is your first question? Find the volume of the cylinder whose radius is 0.7 centimeter. In meter means the radius of cylinder, that is R, is 0.7 centimeter and the height is 1.4 centimeter. Height, that is H of the cylinder, that is 1.4 centimeter. So this is the height of the cylinder. So you have to find the volume of the cylinder. Basic formula is there, that is pi r square h. So value of pi is 22/7 here. Your r is 0.7. So you will write 7/10 and 7/10 2 times because there is a r square. So you will write 0.7 multiply 0.7 and then you will write h, that is 1.4. So after removing the decimal you will have 14/10 and just solve it and get your answer. You are having multiply these number and get your answer. 22 into 7 into 14 and divided by 1000 and just make sure that what is the unit of a volume of any figure. So that will be, if everything is in centimeter, so your unit will be centimeter cube. Okay. If you find out in the liter, so I have already told you the what is the relationship between the liter and the meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, so you can convert any figure, any volume into the form of a liter also if it's required. Come to the question number 2 here. Find the volume of cylinder given the area of the base. Okay, question number 2, when the area of base is given. The area of base, that is pi r here. Base is circular. Base is circle, so area of circle will be pi r here. That is already given that the area of the base is 154 centimeter square. Clear? And the height is given here. The height of the base, that is h, is equal to, that is also given, that 8 centimeter. How you will get the volume? The volume of cylinder will be base, area of the base multiply height. So you have to multiply 154 by 8 and you will get your answer in the centimeter cube. So you have to find the volume of the cylinder by this method. Come to the question number 3. The question number 3, find the volume of the cylinder given the circumference of the base. As you know that circumference means the perimeter of the circle. Okay, circumference of the circular base. Your base of the cylinder is circle in shape. So that is already given, that is 176 centimeter. So how you will find out the radius? As you know that radius, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 176 centimeter. How you will get your 176 by 2 pi? So put the value of pi here. That is 22 by 7. Clear? So you just cancel this number. You will have here 11 2s are 11 1s are 11 6. It will be cancelled in 8. 2 4s are 7 4s are 28 centimeter. You are having the radius 24 centimeter. Then how you are also having the height of the base, height of the cylinder, that is already given in the question, which is 30 centimeter. So now you are having the radius also and height also. So you can get the volume of the cylinder by using the formula pi r square h. So pi is 22 by 7, r is 28. So you have to write 2 times because r square is there, and the write your height h 30. So it will be cancelled. Multiply these number and get your answer in the centimeter cube, because everything height and radius both are in centimeter. So you will get your answer in the centimeter cube. Come to the question number 4. The radius and the height of the cylinder are in ratio 7 ratio 2. So question number 4, where the radius of the cylinder, that is r, that is equal to that is 7 ratio 2. It means you are having the ratio of h and r. You are having r ratio, h is 7 ratio 2. So what you will write here 7x and 2x. To remove that ratio, you will write it 7x and 2x. And the volume of cylinder is already given to you. The volume of cylinder is 8316 centimeter cube. As you know the formula of volume, that is pi r square h. So compare it with 8316 and get your x exactly. Here, so you will write 22 by 7. Your r is 7x, so write it 7x into 7x, and height is here 2x. So this 7 will be cancelled by 7. X multiply x, you will have x cube, and the rest of the term will be cancelled by 22 is the numerator part. Going on right hand side, it's become the denominator. Divided by 7 and divided by 2. And divided 2, 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 8s are. Clear? 7 5s are 7 9s are 63. 63, 7 4s are 28 and divided by 11, 11 5s are, 11 4s are, 2 cancel by 27, so x cube is equal to 27 and 27 is the cube of 3. On comparing this, you will get the value of x is 3. So how you will get your radius and height? So the radius that was 7x, now it's become, put the value of x here. So you will have here 3, value of x is 3. So 7 into 3, you will get your radius 21 centimeter, which is previously in the x, in the form of x. Now you are having the radius in the terms of centimeter, exact value of that radius, and in the such way you will get the height, exact value of height by putting the value of x here, that is 2 into x. So the value of x is 3. So 2 into 3, you will get the 6 centimeter. So this is the exact value of the radius and the height, and you have to find this radius and height in this question. Come to the question number 5. Yes, the statement of the question number 5. How many cubic meter? It means cubic meter. Underline that word, the cubic meter. It means you have to find the volume. Clear? Of the earth must be dragged out to sink a well which is 20 meter deep. It means you have to dig a well of height. Depth means now it is representing the height of that well. It means 20 meter and has a diameter 7 meter. It means diameter is given here. By using the diameter, we can find out the radius of that well. The diameter is 7 meters. So diameter of a well that is cylindrical, that is 7 centimeters. So the radius of that well, that will be 7 by 2. So the half of the diameter is your radius. So you will have here 3.5 centimeter, which is your R of the well. And what is the depth? Depth means there, this depth deep is representing the height of that cylindrical well. So the depth is the height of the well, that is given here 20 meter. 20 meter. That is in meter, and this is also in meter. This is also in meter, both are in meter. Now you can find the volume of that well. That is cylindrical in shape, pi r square h. What do you mean by the volume of well? It means the amount that a well can contain, the amount of soil, amount of that earth dug out, that is the known as the volume of that well. Clear? So the 22 by 7, R is 3.5, it means 7 by 2 is there. So I am using the 7.2, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, and height is 20. So your answer will be in meter cube. This will be cancelled, 2 will be cancelled by 10, 11, 11 7 is 77, and into 10, 770 meter cube. That is the volume of that well, or we can say that the volume of the earth dug out from the well is the 770 meter cube. So one more question is there. If the earth is so dug out, is spread out a rectangular platform by making the 80 meter, 28 meter and 11 meter, what will be the height of that platform? Suppose this is your cylindrical well. Clear? So here that soil or dust is dug out and making a rectangular platform whose length, as this is the platform of rectangular base. So it is having the length, breadth and height also. So the length and breadth is already given. The length of the platform, rectangular platform, this is the cuboidal shape. This platform will make a figure of cuboid. Clear? So where the length is already given, breadth is given, but height is not given here. So you have to find that your length is 28 meter and breadth is B, that is 11 meter. So you have to find the height of the platform. As you know that platform is created by the volume of earth dug out from the well. It means that volume will be equal to the volume of this rectangular platform. So L multiply V multiply H. So 28 into 11 into H is there. So according to question, this rectangular platform is created by this well, volume of earth dug out. So they will be equal. So 28 into 11 into H is equal to 770. So 11 will be cancelled by the 7. Then you will have here 7 for the H will be 10 by 4. It means 2.5 meter. Everything is in meter, so your height will be also in meter. Come to the question number 6. The question number 6 is, a powder is available in 2 packets. A powder is available in the 2 packet. A tin packet, a tin can with a square base of each side 9 centimeter. It means there is a tin can just like this, where the base is this, and just like this. Just like this. Clear? Where the base is clear? So this is your rectangular base, a long base with a square base. First pack 18 can, where the length square base is 8, means their length is 9 cm, breadth is 9 cm and height is 12 cm. That is new. Square base means that is a square. Their length and breadth both are same. So the length of tin can, I am just underlining can, length L will be 9 cm, breadth will be 9 cm because it is a square shape. Clear? So the length and breadth will be same, and the height of the tin can, that is given here, that is 12 cm. So the volume of this tin can, which is a cuboidal shape. So L multiply V multiply H, 9 into 12. 81 into 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 eights are 96, 96 and 10, 162 centimeter cube. Sorry, 90, not 96 is there. 972 centimeter cube. And the another figure is the powder is in the 2 shape of packs. First is the tin can, that is a cuboidal shape, and another is a one of the circular base of radius. It means the second shape is a cylindrical shape where the radius of the base is R is 3.5 centimeter and height is R is this and height is 10 centimeter. How you will find the volume of that base? That is pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 3.5. 3.5. H is 10. So this will be cancelled. 5 to 11. 11 into 35. 335 centimeter cube. So which container having the much more quantity? You just tell me. Either a tin can in a cuboidal shape or this can with a circular base. Clear? So how much? Who is having the greater quantity? A tin can have greater capacity by how much? So by 972 minus 385. You will just subtract this number and get your answer in the centimeter cube. So this is your question number 6. Come to the question number 7, and this is the last question here. The question number 7, a cylinder that is open at end. Open at end means just like your glass, where the base is something is there, flat surface is there, but open at the top. So just like this, a cylindrical base, a cylindrical box which is open at base. It means this is here, but that is open at end, and the external diameter is 10 centimeter. So this is thick one. Just like this, clear? Where the external diameter that is 10 centimeter and thickness is 2 centimeter. So the internal diameter, how you will get the internal diameter? Firstly get the internal, see, directly you can get the value of radius here. Just wait. External diameter is here, so you can get the external radius. External radius means from this point to this point. Outer one, this point to this point. How you will get the radius? Divided by 2. So 5 centimeter will be the radius. That is represented by the capital R. And internal one, small r, that will become by the 5 centimeter minus thickness. जब आप उसमें से thickness को remove कर देते हो, suppose if you are having the external radius from external diameter is from this point to this point, and how you will get the internal one? When you just remove the thickness of this one. Clear? This is 2 centimeter from the external radius. If you remove this one, so you will get the internal radius. Remove the thickness, then you will get the internal radius. I just show you one more thing. Suppose you are having the full here. Clear? You are having the full, this is the external diameter, and the internal one will be this one. How you will get it? If you wanted to get the internal diameter, so remove the thickness 2 times. One from the left side and one more right side. But I am talking about the internal radius, so you will reduce the thickness 1 time. Clear? So by this way you can get the internal radius, remove the thickness from the external radius. So 5 centimeter minus 2 centimeter, you are having the 3 centimeter radius, and height is already given, that h is 8 centimeter. How you will get the capacity? A part, the capacity of cylinder. How you will get the capacity? You need the internal radius. क्योंकि आउटर में हमारा नहीं आता, क्योंकि अगर आजकल के अगर हम जनरली हम देखें, हमारे जो कैसरोल्स आते हैं या दूसरी शेप के हमारे लंच बॉक्स आते हैं जो दैट इज सिलेंड्रिकल इन शेप, उसमें आउटर से जितना हमें वो शो होता है, दैट इज एक्चुअली नॉट हैविंग दैट मेजरमेंट. क्लियर? देयर मेन कंटेनर्स आर वेरी लेस क्वांटिटी कैचर, so you have to use the internal radius here. So that is 22 by 7. Your internal radius is 3 centimeter and height is 8. So multiply this answer, multiply this number and get your answer in the centimeter cube. And how you will get the volume of cylinder? For getting the volume of this cylinder, volume of metal used by which it is formed. तो मेटल कहाँ बनी होती है सिलेंडर? किसी भी कंटेनर में आउटर में से, अगर आप इस आउटर में से इसमें कितना मेटल यूज हुआ है, वो मेटल यहाँ यूज हुआ है, तो आउटर वॉल्यूम में से अगर आप इनर वॉल्यूम निकाल दोगे तो यू विल गेट दैट लेयर मेटल. क्लियर है? दैट इज द मेटल वॉल्यूम यू विल गेट. सो यू विल रिमूव द वॉल्यूम, outer volume minus inner volume, so that you can get the volume of that metal that is used to make that container. क्लियर है? जब भी आप आउटर चीज में से, चाहे आपका कोई भी कैसरोल है, उसके अंदर कितना प्लास्टिक कितना यूज हुआ है, उसको आप कैसे जज करोगे? आप आउटर वॉल्यूम में से इनर का वॉल्यूम रिड्यूस कर दो, माइनस कर दो, देन यू विल गेट दैट एक्चुअल वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट कंटेनर, दैट प्लास्टिक दैट इज यूज टू मेक दैट कंटेनर. क्लियर है? तो आउटर वॉल्यूम का मतलब है यू यूज द एक्सटर्नल रेडियस दैट इज पाई r square. Height doesn't matter, height will remain same because the thickness is there. So h will be there, pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So you will can take the common pi and h. You will write here capital R square minus small r square. Put all the values here. Your h is here 8 and capital R is 5. 5 square minus 3 square. So you will solve it at 22 by 7 multiply 8. 25 minus 9. You will have here 25 minus 9. You will have here 16, and just multiply and get your answer in the centimeter cube. That is that volume which is used for the metal by which that containers are created. Okay, that container form. So this is the end of this exercise here. Thank you and have a nice day.